Hi there. Today we're going to go through the Universal Policy Administrator auditing features. UPA gives you the ability to see the 5 critical requirements for an auditor. These include who made the changes, what were the changes, when were these changes made, where were they made, and finally, why they were made. In a moment, we'll go through the following workflow in UPA: importing a GPO from Active Directory, making changes to the policy, proceeding through the approval process, exporting to AD, and then reviewing the audit trail and printing out the report. So let's see this in action. I'm logged in as the UPA editor, and I'll now import a password GPO from Active Directory. I'll check out the policy and take a look at the existing settings. And now I'll go into the policy to make changes to the password settings, specifically to enable the forcing of password complexity. Now I'll check that policy back in and document the changes. Then I'll submit it for approval. Now we'll log out as the editor and log back in as the approver who will review and approve or reject the changes to the policy. The approver can take a look at the settings and the differences between versions. Approve the changes. And then export the policy to Active Directory. Let's log back in as the administrator and take a look at the auditing events we've just gone through. Here we are able to see all the steps that both the UPA editor and the UPA approver went through with this password policy. We can do a search looking for the specific complexity setting. Alternatively, we can search actions that either the editor or the approver took with that policy. So here we have the who, what, where, when, and why for any policy changes that an auditor will need for their compliance reports. And these reports can be shared by saving them as a PDF or printing them out. I hope this video helped to explain how UPA tracks all user and policy activity for compliance purposes. Please let us know if there are other videos that can be helpful to you.